I had to jump onto the daily news even though things have been so hectic. It's been really, really difficult to get all the updates in because the month of November has been a November to remember. Forget September. November is the month. All right, so backtracking a little bit, let's see now. EuroWings began their 2 weekly flights into Montego Bay out of Frankfurt, Germany. And sometime before we would have said that Swiss Air had started flying into Montego Bay. So amazing is that we have already begun booking people from Switzerland. Yes, I just said from Switzerland, from Zurich, Switzerland into Jamaica on Swiss Air. So that's phenomenal. But what really prompted me to jump on is an article in The Observer that says Sweden now has direct flights to commence into Jamaica. And I'm saying, my God, this sounds like a European takeover. So my first advice, market wouldn't be the first, but in a different capacity. And my first advice for all of you who want to visit Europe, this is the time. This is the opportunity. And there's never been a better time. So Jamaicans, you holding a Jamaican passport, many times it's a one-stop shop with a visa from the European Union. Cheyenne or Schengen pronunciations differ, but we can help you with that. So just to go through this article really, really quickly so that you know what's going on. And it was just today, or maybe yesterday. I'm not even sure what day I'm at. But nevertheless, November 23rd was the date for this article. And it states that the Jamaica Tourist Board says that it begins November 22nd. The Ving operated Sun Class Airlines will now fly direct from Stockholm, Sweden into Jamaica. And this is going to be a fortnightly flight, so every 2 weeks, and it will run until March 2023. This is amazing. Now, the agency said that Ving will operate total of 9 rotations for winter 2022-2023 with a 373 with 373 seats on each flight. This is an Airbus. Yes, that's what I figured. So it's an A330. I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but 373 seats on each flight. That's a lot, guys. This is one of those wide body. Wow. You hear the excitement in my voice because I'm already thinking, oh my God, I can fly to Sweden and I can sail with Ortegugan and do Greenland. So excited I can't even speak. Greenland and Iceland and all of those sailings and back over, doing a transatlantic of sorts that would take me into that amazing little French island that Canada occupies. Oh my gosh, awesome sauce. This is wonderful. And so the Swedes are coming. That's another big boost to the Jamaican tourist product. Now the Jamaica Observer quotes Classes Pelvic, Nordic head of communication for Nordic Leisure Travel Group, by saying Nordic Leisure Travel Group is happy to come back to Jamaica again with non-stop flights Stockholm Montego Bay for the upcoming winter season 2022-2023, especially since our previous customer feedback had always been excellent for our Jamaica program. What's new, of course, is that we will operate our brand new Airbus A330-900 Neo from our own Sun Class Airlines. The state-of-the-art aircraft will reduce carbon CO2 emissions by 23% and at the same time enhance the passenger experience. UT Jamaica has been a perfectly positioned destination for the future with its focus on well-being, a vast selection of interesting activities and culture to explore, and a fantastic hotel product to offer. So, that was a mouthful, but It is so wonderful. Europe has opened up itself again, and you know, there is a lot of Jamaica to love, and Europeans have always loved Jamaica. Now, with these charter flights, we hope that there will be a few seats left unsold so that we can get the experience to fly from Montego Bay into Stockholm. And of course, where there's a will, there's a Sheri Fantastic. So, if you are thinking about a Scandinavian experience, Norway, Sweden, the Greenland experience, Iceland for the volcanic experiences, oh, just about anything, the Northern Lights, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We are on the cutting edge of moving you into the places that matter most. You need to give us a call. We are always here at your service. Ciao for now.